Value LED bulbs off Amazon. Are they worth it? Well, these lasted a year. They're from CarWorks box. And then it says car lamp on the box as well. They look fancy. They got the fans. They lasted a year. And months before they went out, they were humming like a real loud hum. So what lamps do we recommend? Personally, I have had great success with Auxito and AutoOne. And there was another brand, Sealight. All reasonably priced. Auxito's a little higher on the list, but they are good quality. And there is a discount code for any Auxito stuff pinned to my Facebook page. You get a discount, I get commish, win-win. So we are changing out those cheap CarWorks that we found on Amazon. And the Auxito were a little too bright for the running lights. So we're putting the Auxito in the brights only, and then reverting back to regular bulbs for the low beams. Now the Sealight and the AutoOnes weren't really too bright for the low beams. Maybe a little bit too bright, but she wants the Auxito in the high beams. That way nobody's in front of you, you can see the freaking world. And she doesn't want to get flashed, so she's going back down to the stock bulbs for the low beams. So if you want your brights really bright, I mean, any three of those brands are good. The Auxitos are the brightest. Just a little follow-up. I try to follow up on products that fail. And that CarWorks I did a video on about a year and a half ago, and they failed like 6 months ago. So that's one brand to avoid. And 3 brands that are good.